Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to E-Prime. The name Morgan Heritage is synonymous with generational reggae music and, of course, the coveted Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album. The Grammy Award-winning group has launched their marijuana delivery service, partnering with Proper RX. The marijuana delivery service is compliant with the US's Health Insurance Portability and Accountability HIPAA Act of 1996 and was created to assist patients who are marginalized with unequal access to medical marijuana medications. With the intent of providing door-to-door medical cannabis delivery, they are targeting specifically terminally ill customers as well as those with disabilities. The band signed onto the initiative as a shareholder in an effort to change lives via a safe, secure, HIPAA-compliant delivery service. Jawara McIntosh, son of the legendary reggae artist Peter Tosh, was beaten into a coma at the Bergen County Jail in New Jersey. Jawara is serving a 6-month sentence for marijuana-related charges. His family will be pursuing a civil rights lawsuit against the county jail for directly participating in and/or failing to prevent Jawara being beaten while in custody. Retained for their case is civil rights attorney Jasmine Rand, known for representing the families of Trayvon Martin and Michael Brown, as well as local counsel Shelley Strangler, who also has a strong record of arguing civil rights cases. Peter Tosh was one of the original founding members of the Wailers alongside Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer, and like his father, Jawara is a reggae artist who goes by the stage name Tosh One. Back from his recent recording trip and tour of Europe, dancehall recording artist Bassy is boasting a lot of success on his solo journey. The Rise of a New King is the title of Bassy's new album, and it's a project that he believes defines him as part of dancehall's history and will propel him into being a part of dancehall's future. In international stories, Rihanna will host her annual Diamond Ball charity event in September. The singer recently shared some of the plans for this year's event, including Dave Chappelle as the host and a performance from Kendrick Lamar.
The foundation started when my late grandmother got sick. She was diagnosed with cancer. She passed away, and so I care about fighting this disease, giving people a chance. So now with the Clara Lionel Foundation, everything seems to be in motion. Of course, I can't do it alone, and that's why I'm partnering up with so many people. They care as much as I care.
Fine light in the beautiful sea, I choose to be happy.
We're working on the oncology department in Barbados at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. If I can save one life, if I can give someone an extra day, an extra week, an extra year, an extra 10 years, it's completely worth it.
Rihanna's Clara Lionel Foundation will host its 3rd Diamond Ball on September 14 at Cipriani Wall Street in New York City. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you for watching.